Hey guys, welcome back to the Rust Coat Total Care channel. Today we are going to be detailing and ceramic coating the C8 Corvette. We're going to be putting in Owner's Pride 5-year ceramic coating on this. So a couple steps that it takes. The step one is a full decon wash to get all the contaminants off the paint. Step two will be a single stage polish on most of the surfaces. That will remove the swirls, blemishes, imperfections. Then step three, we will dry it and wipe it down with a prep solvent. And step four finally will be to lay the ceramic coating.
Rinsing off the wheels, get off the major dirt, anything that comes off pretty easy. And then this is a wheel acid. It just kind of helps eat away at the brake dust. And I'll spray it on pretty generously. And that's just to get a majority of the stuff off. That's a little easier. And after we rinse it and dry it, we'll hit it with a prep solution and make it clean up real good. And now that we're done with the wheels, we can move on to the paint. And before we wash it, I'm just gonna rinse it off, get all the loose dirt, etc. off. And now that the whole vehicle is rinsed, free of soap, I'm going to go ahead and start air drying it. Now that the wheels and paint are nice and clean, free of contaminants, we're going to move on to the paint correction step and start polishing it up. And for something like this, that's a 2023, brand new pretty much, we're just going to do a single stage polish. I got my medium orange cutting pad, so it'll take a good amount of stuff out, but it'll leave a lot of the clear still. And I like to just spread it out first, get it nice and
exposed ceramic. Thank you for watching the video of the 5-year ceramic coating from Owner's Pride on the 23 Corvette C8. We got a lot more stuff planned, some DIY, some how-to, all the fun, cool cars that we work on, some window tint, PPF, ceramic. As we grow, please like, share, subscribe, leave some feedback in the comments, what you would like to see or with any questions. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day.